Menteri Kesuka Pedang Badai Kemi yang Tenat Communication but Development of Northeastern Region Ujoyti Raditya M. Sandia Hakasni saja yang strik Noiwing aja pesan Walabu manung rim na kebentak Integrated Sohra Circuit Development hapo ke scheme Prime Minister Development Initiative for Northeastern Region. Bat wala pelipaj baru yagi projek berper jangka dona kepasyong dah do aspa lifelike Klur ha kajing don lang tirang ba kajala kondat kisang ma ki menteri sokal ki officer bat kitu bidon benta hakam jengok kai pertai kan ki juan Tuid ke Spah Klur ke tanya Sohra kelapen kan mau baka slap ke Sohra kala Ksiar namar baka Sohra kada ki bajul slap tam haka pertai abaklan akan ikasni usin dia lo batai yang Meghalaya kum ke Bneng haka pertai kasyong kilo bagi Ksiar bano rempum ha ka ba kawai kejing be kala kakit ya kejing ubi jong ke buram kejing ngai ba kejing lai lui ban kiu siap rang ula pan skem biang ya kejing kut jingmut jong ke sekolah India ban kentiu ya ke kam jingok kai pertai ke badon kejing kit kli ka ba kan thup lang ya baro bat ke kam jingok kai ke badon kenong rim ha ka pateng ha keleng ka than stay lam mingi ka Integrated Sohra Circuit ke belas sanjulang dak tenat Donald baga soka Meghalaya klong kawai ning senjam bronjik tu ke bahek ba ka kam jingok kai pertai ha ka tan stay lam mingi da ka jing bai pisa baro ke belah kot syakan rus pa san pokru kentup plat aspa afoi krul hapo ke dona ke projek ketemu ban penkela ya ke Sohra syaka jaka jengok kai pertai ke babun sngi ke baron tenrai haka jing penek pensa bat kamai kaji jong kinong syong sinong ka Sohra Experience Center hakut madan ke belasina haka jing bei tengka ke basi Spah khasan Klur kanlong kum ke pedeng jong ke kam ke bapen ya ke pateng jong ke jaj benre beper jong ke Meghalaya lemba ki ampiti atar ki jaka ban yo slap bat ki jaka ban pen i kam sina jing sina ki projek ki kentup ya kebenta jang ke nok klikai force ni ke syai nok klikai ke ba apun ru Klur ke maus mai eco park ap kundai Klur ke 7 sister for viewpoint Kylla riverside development bat wa kalil kanyon rengkat bat ki kam jingok kai pertai kum kalat ban syong haki head ki hot air balloon lada khenlang gini projek la khmi enti kin kinti ko jing pelut jang kineng wan jingok kai hanreu sya kat ba kin penmi palat saw haja hanreu Spah tli kilat yokam.
For whom the word impossible, the word no, the word cannot be done does not exist in his lexicon, doesn't exist in his dictionary. When he puts his mind and heart to it, for Conrad Sangma, his team, and for the people of Meghalaya, he is your torchbearer. He is your champion who will make development and progress a reality in Meghalaya. And I'm very proud, and I'm saying this openly on this munch, I'm very proud to have a partner in him. I'm very proud to have a brother in him. We think alike. We work alike. We are dedicated alike. And the one thing that binds us in common is both of us don't know how to operate from here. We only operate from here. And therefore this tourism project, it is not something that some bureaucrats have put together and brought to you on the stage. Your Chief Minister and his whole team, the Tourism Minister, the Tourism Secretary, the team at Donor, have worked painstakingly. It has taken us 9 months. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't exaggerate when I tell you, every breeze carries the freedom of development and progress. And look at us today in this theater where we are surrounded by nature. From the bamboo that adorns our stage, to the broom leaves that bless us, to the lilium flowers that impart their fragrance on this wonderful day when the new path of development and progress is consecrated on this land. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is an intangible feeling, is a feeling that no money can buy, but is a feeling that you can only come and experience when you set foot on this mystical land of Sohra and Meghalaya. So today when I am before you, I do not see a destination alone. I see devotion. I see discipline. And I see dreams. And that's what, ladies and gentlemen, makes history. Devotion, discipline, and dreams. And we humans who walk the earth with her blessings must in turn nurture her. We must in turn protect her. We must in turn keep her sacred heritage the same way that we found it for the next generations to also respect, ladies and gentlemen. And therefore, on every auspicious occasion, we all pray to God to bless us in the form of rain. And that blessing, Conrad Ji, is in front of us today as God blesses us this day when we start something new for the people of Sohra and for the people of Meghalaya.